Hello, boys and girls. I have a wonderful story for you. It's called The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. Let's see what the book is about. The family gathered around the table. "I've made some cookies for tea," said Mom. "Good," said Victoria and Sam. "We're starving." "Share them between yourselves," said Mom. "I made plenty." And so she did. "That's 6 each," said Sam and Victoria. "They look as good as Grandma's," said Victoria. "They smell as good as Grandma," said Sam. "No one makes cookies as good as Grandma," said Sam. And then the doorbell rang. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. "Come in," said Ma. You can share some cookies." So they share. "That's 3 each," Sam and Victoria said. "They smell as good as your grandma's," said Tom. "And look as good," said Hannah. "No one makes cookies like Grandma," said Ma, as the doorbell rang again. It was Peter and his little brother. "Come in," said Ma. "You could share some cookies." And there's Peter and his little brother at the door. "That's 2 each," said Victoria and Sam. "They look as good as your grandma's," said Peter, "and smell as good." "Nobody makes cookies like Grandma," said Ma, as the doorbell rang again. More people coming. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. "Come in," said Ma. "You can share some cookies." Boy, the house is getting filled. So was the kitchen. "That's 1 each," said Sam and Victoria. "They smell as good as your grandma's," said Joy. "And look as good," said Simon. "No one makes cookies like Grandma," said Ma, as the doorbell rang again. And they're ready for more visitors. And rang again. More people come into the kitchen. "Oh dear," said Mom, as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. "Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door." "We'll wait," said Sam. And they go to eat. It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. "How nice to have so many friends to share with," said Grandma. "It's a good thing I made a lot." There's Grandma coming in with more cookies for everybody. "And no one makes cookies like Grandma," said Ma, as the doorbell rang. And there's Grandma with all the friends and neighbors enjoying cookies. The end.